So you can see she can get some air. She wouldn't be able to soar really high up in the sky like wild condors do. But she can fly a little bit.
Hi to your adoring fans.
Like I said, she's only 4, so she's still pretty young. They don't reach maturity until they're about 6 or 8 years old. So over time, she'll get that nice bright pink head, but she's still got some fuzz. Believe it or not, one of the biggest challenges getting her used to coming out on stage are all these rocks. Every single rock that we have out here, she thought was a monster that was trying to eat her. So it took some desensitizing. She's gotten pretty confident. And again, over time, it's really helpful to have a live audience here, and especially to start it kind of slow and then increase over time. Dimitri's really working on getting her used to coming to the edge of the stage so people can get a really good look at these guys. Most people won't ever see a California condor in person, so it's really cool that we're giving people the opportunity to do that. And we want to make sure, hi, I don't have anything for you. She knows what she's being asked to do and doesn't decide to wander off. I'm going home. What we've been working with her to do on stage is all pretty cool, but this is my favorite part, is just watching her follow Dimitri home. I think it's adorable. All right, good job, Hope. And Dimitri, again, thank you guys. I know you're busy, but it really, really helps to have people here to help her get used to having people in the stands. Hopefully, before too long, she'll be in our shows. And we've been working hard to get new behaviors going, new birds in the shows, kind of tweaking our script. So if you guys ever come and check it out and have feedback for us or have anything you'd like to add, please tell us you like feedback, because we're just working on making it better over time. So thank you all. Have a good day.